high school, I used to sell these for my soccer team. And on Coney Island Avenue, I got mugged, and they gave the Rice Krispies back because they were like, this shit's worthless.
That's why it tastes like that. You know, it has the sprinkles, so it's more appealing visually.
I've got two nieces. They would off the bat just pick these, not even tasting them because they have rainbow sprinkles.
It's good. It's not too sweet. It's not it's not overpowering with the sweetness.
Delightful, very thick.
That's good. That's like a birthday cake.
The marshmallow's presence is very relaxing to my mouth.
They look great. Those are gonna fly off the shelves.
Sprinkles do have a distinct taste, but you don't taste the sprinkles. You taste the Rice Krispie itself. It's good. I enjoy it.
I kind of like it because it still remains chewy. I need this thing to be chewy.
There's a bit of a workout, yeah. Very dense.
And I kind of need it to be sticky. And it's sticky.
I look like an old baseball player. Ah, what do you say, Craig? I'm bringing my hat.
Points for the shapes. So let's go with bite of my heart.
Wow. Also very dense.
So this one isn't as fun. It's not as moist. It's not as easy chewing.
It's kind of a workout to chew.
Somehow even more dense than the first one. I did a very difficult task with no reward, like writing a college essay and not getting in.
The standard flavors apply, but there's something else going on here.
It tastes well, but it's just a different taste. Whatever you use to bind the Rice Krispies.
Like it looks like painted. Is there like an additional nothing? This is it, right? Wow. It's really, really disappointing.
These suck. I don't like these.
If I were to choose, I would to go with number one, just because it made a snack. Like it tastes more of the Rice Krispie.
I'm gonna go with the fun time, number one, instead of this boring exercise.
Number one is all color, all texture. This is the Iron Chef of Rice Krispies treats. I couldn't be more enamored with number one. I'm gonna have another one because I'm selfish.